This tutorial will tell you how to determine the molar mass of calcium nitrate. Now, when you calculate the molar mass of calcium nitrate, or any molar mass, you definitely need to start off with the formula of the substance. So this is calcium nitrate, and we recognize this to be an ionic compound. Now, whenever you have an ionic compound, you have to consider the charges first. If you look up calcium on your periodic table, you should know that calcium is in group 2, and all elements in group 2 will have a 2+ charge. The reason why they have a 2+ charge is because all of those elements have lost 2 valence electrons in order to become stable. Now, nitrate is on the back of our periodic tables. It's listed under the polyatomic ion section. This is what nitrate looks like. Now, on the back of your periodic tables, you will not see these parentheses, but I always find it very useful to write in the parentheses so you can separate the charge from the actual formula of nitrate. Now, as we look at these two ions, we want to make sure that our final formula has a total charge of 0. And right now we have 2 positive charges and 1 negative charge. So in order to make this compound neutral, we need to add another nitrate. And adding another nitrate will now show a neutral compound. We have 2 positive charges, we have 2 negative charges, so here is our final formula of CaNO3 2. The 2 on the outside of the parentheses indicates that there are 2 nitrate ions, which means there are 2 nitrogens and 6 oxygens, 2 times 3. Now for actually calculating the molar mass of calcium nitrate. With this formula, you need a periodic table and a calculator in order to calculate the molar mass. What you're going to do is you're going to find the element calcium, and here's what the square would look like. The mass of just calcium is 40.078 grams, and we're going to add it to all the other elements in this formula. So I'm going to add it to nitrogen times 2 because there are 2 nitrogens present in this formula. There's my nitrogen times 2, and then I'm going to add that to oxygen times 6 because there are 6 oxygens in the formula. Now I went ahead and used parentheses to show the separation of each of the elements, so it makes it a little bit clearer where these numbers are coming from. When you type this into the calculator, what you can do is 40.078 plus 14.007 times 2 plus 15.999 times 6. When you finish that calculation, you should get a value of 164.086 grams per mole. As a ratio, which is how we represent our molar masses when it comes to stoichiometry problems, we would represent it like so. 1 mole of calcium nitrate to 164.086 grams of calcium nitrate. This is how we represent a molar mass. Now, I just want to give you a little warning here that if you're not using a scientific calculator, you may want to do these calculations inside of the parentheses separately, because only the scientific calculators and graphing calculators, they know about PEMDAS and they know how to automatically multiply before adding. But if you're using a simple 5-function calculator, then you want to make sure to do these calculations inside of the parentheses separately and then add them up.